Okay, it's not working.
Bro, something just happened.
I'm about to just not screen record it because.
Yeah, if that happens again, just don't screen record.
Just
We're
screen-
probably not gonna catch a fish. Shut up.
Somebody's doing my camera roll. Don't let it care. Okay, guys. I'm just gonna go off this. I'm not gonna go fully in the photo, guys. I'm only gonna stream for a little bit. Okay, guys. I'm gonna catch it now. Wait, did I turn on my mic?
But you can't.
Did I turn on my mic? Oh, yeah, I did. Please don't fall. And this has been going for like 2 minutes already. Talk to guys, my brother's in the street. I might only go live for like 5 minutes. I'll just do a YouTube short if I catch one. Yeah, guys. I hope my camera doesn't fall. It's kind of windy, guys. So guys, we're just gonna chill. Okay, I'm just gonna stand up on the leg of the chair.
We didn't know what you were going to. Yeah. Well, that's not waiting for something to ask so I can say I'm marked yet. I should have made yours a little bit more.
Mama, I'm satire. Not turtle or fish. Catch a fish. Aaron, are you in it? I just put it down here, guys. This other camera angle because I'm falling.
I was gonna leave it.
We're just gonna leave it, talk to you guys. We might only be doing this for like 10 minutes, maybe. I don't know what we're gonna be doing. Oh yeah, guys, go see our wiffle ball game. Right? We just filmed a wiffle ball game, so. I've never been live in like 4 days. God.
I'll try to learn it.
Yeah. Did it? If you catch something, I'll clip it, guys. Sure, forget it. Catch it.
Yeah. No, he's probably stuck. Yeah. Yeah, you have.
I'm stuck up on my line. Oh. Yeah, I'm stuck on my line. My Louie's stuck on my line. Hey guys, I'm using bait caster. I don't know why I said it like that. But look, I'm using a bait caster combo.
Oh, there was a fish.
I need a rod holder so I can just leave it. I might buy one of those. Or I can get a tripod, right? That'll probably be falling over.
It's windy, but not. I'm behind.
Yeah, I'm just putting it down here. So the other camera angle is falling out. Guys, this is actually a good stream. We're outside doing it. Well, duh, where would we be? Except we're outside.
Bro, where's your chat?
My screen recorder, guys, I'm screen recording this.
There's no chat.
Yeah, but there's no one typing.
Yeah,
Guys,
but usually it
join.
shows like a chat.
I don't know. I'll just leave it. It probably ends up showing up once people start typing. Yeah, guys, we're fishing today. How long have we been live?
I don't know.
I'm
7
gonna cast
minutes.
2 rods. Hold up. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna cast 2 rods. Hold up. I'm gonna cast this one and then a different rod. Since I need
Oh, why is that doing
Guys, I'm gonna go get a different rod. Definitely we're by ourselves before.
Why ain't my line just kidding? Why
Guys, what lure should I use?
not?
Guys, should I use? I'm gonna use a lizard. Hey, is it still going in the stream?
Yeah.
Going live for 10 minutes. How long have we been live?
Oh, we're on for 9 minutes. I didn't see how much stuff is going on. I was looking at the second one.
How?
What?
real fast. I have to go. I have to talk to Mom real fast.
Oh.
Okay, guys, we got everything figured out. Where should I cast my rod at, guys? I don't want. There's like 2 rods by me right now.
Nothing really. I've been having this out for a while.
That will do. Okay. Let me see how long we have been live for. 11 minutes. Guys, we don't have any bites yet. Aaron, you can still sit on the chair if you want. Just look. You can still sit in the chair if you want. I can just move my camera angle a little. Yeah, guys. No luck yet. Guys.
Okay, I'll turn it over.
I don't catch anything. I'm just gonna end in like 20 minutes probably. If I don't catch anything on the stream. Do I have to cast it for you? You want to cast it for you? Okay, guys, I'm gonna cast it for you. So you can get a bite. Okay. Crap. There's a nice cross line here.
Bro, this one
I don't think I did. Can I redo with her? You cast?
if you don't cross on it. If you don't cross on it,
Yeah, guys, he has a fishing rod too. Look. See the rod? Yeah, that'll do still.
sleep.
Yeah, I was just reeling in a little bit. Okay. Guys, I just cast his rod out. Yeah, you can go. You can go over here so they can see you. Yeah. I should have just cast it right here. Mom. I mean, someone. What? Come on. It's a turtle. I'll catch a turtle. Guys, if one of us catch a turtle, bruh.
But I would not.
Yeah, you can leave it. Guys, we need rod holders. Should we get them for the channel? Yeah, because we have to put it on the ground and we won't know if we're gonna bite or not. Well, no, but like it'll start like moving. I might get a rod holder, guys. There's some at Walmart that are pretty good.
Yeah.
Or you can put it in
But I'm
between
on
that
the
chair.
screen.
Or you can put it in between that chair. Actually, I hooked myself down.
Well, I just put my hands in me like.
You have 2 rods. You can, I know you can't see them, but that's 2 rods. How long have we been live for?
14 minutes.
Okay. I might be going to eat for 20. If I don't catch anything by then, I'll just end the stream. There's just like no one in chat. Hey guys.
I got it.
Let me put my tackle box over here. Wait, I'll put my tackle box on top of you guys.
That's still no.
What?
I said still no bite.
Yeah, guys, still no bite. If we catch one off stream, bro, I'll just do a YouTube short, guys. That he caught. Guys, more sports. Wait, what's his name? N-I-W-L. Guys, go subscribe to N-I-W-L. He went fishing in the stream and it just got banned. And it was on YouTube. Yeah, guys. Yeah, if it starts coming down, that means you have a bite. Don't reel it. I could do another cast for you. If you want. Could reel it in slow. But no luck yet. No.
It's so sunny.
16 minutes, not bad. Guys, I have all my stuff on the chair. So you guys just can't see it. You're up on the ground. You guys can see the pond. I caught one here before. I did a community post about it. Yeah, because I only had a feather. Definitely going off on my cat. Wait, it's coming up there. We can just sweep it. Come on, I'm back. But anyways, everyone's using the stuff that you can get from Walmart. Like, it's like basically like clay. Yeah, I can really see lure. I mean, not lure. Stuff that you're using. Come on, fishing. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can just put it on top of the chair. If you just want it, right? Oh yeah, you can show them what it is.
It's this. You got to foul with it.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna put this right here.
I hope we catch a fish, guys. Why can't I just use my tackle box as a stand? You want to put it more up? Yeah, I'm just gonna use my tackle box. I'm gonna put it more higher. And you can put your bait up here. I don't think this is gonna work, bro. I don't think we're gonna be able to get this camera angle, guys. Yeah, I think. How do you get this to stand up, bro?
It's fine. You see how it was.
Could have just got higher.
See how it was.
I could have got higher. I could probably use this clay stuff. Guys. I don't want to accidentally unstream, guys. Yeah, guys, we're just gonna leave it. Camera angle. I could cast it for you. Good.
Oh, frick. No.
If you cross-line me, bro.
No, I think I got stuck on it.
That's real. I mean, cast it. What if he should cast it, guys?
Huh?
What if he should cast it, guys?
Bro, I ain't something's wrong with your channel.
I don't think there's anything wrong.
Look, usually it just shows 0 people and it just shows that.
Yeah, well, there's no one in yet.
No, even when no one's in, it just shows 0 people.
Yeah. It could be different for all people.
What the?
What the heck? I can do a giant cast. If you want me. Or you could try. Fish. Guys, we should get rod holders for this.
I don't know, I can do it better than that.
20 minutes, and I said I'll get off in 20 minutes. I don't get it. We might have to cut you guys short. We might have to end. But there's always a different day that I can.
Oh.
You could have left it and caught one.
I'm gonna be right. I got still one. Wait.
What?
Oh, I thought you got. I thought you got. No,
This
okay.
year that is on its own, I would just not.
Oh, I want to
What?
I'm all the way over there. I'm really just gonna cross.
No, you're not.
Bro, I think not fast.
You're not. We don't have any bikes. Okay, let's just look. Let's just look. Should we just end it? Let's see what you can short about it, Josh. Now, we have to end, so I'm gonna end because we have no bite on stream. So. Bye, Mary. Say bye.
Come on.
We're gonna end, guys. So we will see you in that a different day, maybe.
Oh, no. Hold on. Let me see mine. I don't
Okay.
have my phone. Yeah, I could- yeah, what am I doing? But I'm not gonna do
We could just have to.
it. Hold on.
Yeah, guys, we've been like 22 minutes. We haven't got lights on the stream yet, so we'll do a YouTube short about it. If we do catch him,
Alright.
we'll do a YouTube short about it. Just like, I have my, what is it called? My device, right? Like right here.
Alright.
So, we have to show our rods. Hey, we out. I mean, that's everything. But bye, guys. Wait, maybe this could be a thumbnail. Get right here. We'll go find one this on YouTube.
There.
Don't put your bait in the way.
Hold on.
Just put it by the chair. Just put it on the ground.
I don't know why it didn't do that.
There we go. Bye, guys.
I need to do it first. Oh. I think you got the anchor.
Guys, we're gonna wait a minute.
No, I'm stuck on something.
I don't know if I got anything.
But I ain't got really like a fish.
Yeah, I don't got anything.
Oh.
Guys, we're ending now. So, peace.